maybe the father, then all the other relatives, brothers, sisters, and all the friends. That is why this human being is always living with the help of the others and with the mental support of the others, but forgets that the main support of Almighty God is always there. And if he takes that support, he does not need any other support though. That is why Guru says, as soon as a person meets the perfect true Guru, then he is attached to the true name of the Lord. तिन्ना पिछे छुटिया प्यारे जो साची शरणाए. And we are saved by following those who seek the protection of the true Lord. Otherwise, मिठा करके खाया प्यारे तिन तन कीता रोग. Most of the times, the worldly things, they are very attractive, very sweet. That is why the human beings are lured by their sweetness or the attraction. But what happens? Ultimately, when the human beings, they are consuming more and more, ultimately they produce illness in our body. Guru says, Kauda hoye patishtya pyare tiste upja sog. Then all those sweetness become the bitterness in the shape of the illness. And that is bringing more and more sufferings and sadness. Bhog punchaye pulayan pyare utre nahi vijog. Causing the human beings to enjoy the worldly attractions. The Lord himself has strayed him, and in separation from him, he is always in pain. Jo ਗੁਰ ਮੇਲ ਉਧਾਰਿਆ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਤਿਨ ਤੁਰੇ ਪਿਆ ਸੰਜੋਗ. Being introduced to the true Guru, they who are saved, oh my dear, their lot of writ was written by Almighty God himself. ਮਾਇਆ ਲਾਲਚ ਅਟਿਆ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਚਿਤ ਨਾ ਆਵੈ ਮੂਲ. The human beings are filled with the worldly lust and worldly greed for the wealth. That is why intends to forget Almighty God. ਜਿਨ ਤੂੰ ਵਿਸਰੈ ਪਾਰ ਬ੍ਰਹਮ ਸੁਆਮੀ ਸੇ ਤਨ ਹੋਏ ਧੂੜ. Whereas, O my loving God, when you are forgotten, this human body becomes useless. Means the ultimate goal of the human life is simply to remember Almighty God, and if he is not remembered, this human body is simply a pond of ashes. ਬਿਲਲਾਟ ਕਰੈਂ ਬਹੁਤੇਰਿਆ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਉਤਰੈ ਨਾਹੀ ਸੂਲ. They cry and shriek piteously, O my loving God, but their anguish, their pain does never cease. ਜੋ ਗੁਰ ਮੇਲ ਸਵਾਰਿਆ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਤਿਨ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੂਲ. Whereas, O my loving God, whom you yourself decorate, causing to meet the Guru, then their problem is gone, and of course, they would be accepted at the divine place. Sakat sang na kijai pyare jeka par vasaye. Guru says, the people who are always facing towards their own mind and money, stay away from them as far as possible. Because जिस मिले हर विसरै प्यारे सो मुँह काला उठ जाए. Meeting with them, God is forgotten. And of course, then you would be departing this world with the blackened face. ਮਨਮੁਖ ਢੋਈ ਨ ਮਿਲੈ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਰਗਹਿ ਮਿਲੈ ਸਜ਼ਾਏ. The perverse, they do not get any place to stay at the divine place, at the divine palace. And of course, they would be punished. Jogur mel savarya pyare tinna puri pae. Whereas the people who met with the Guru and who has already succeeded in their life, they would be adjusted and accepted at the divine palace as well. Sanjam sahas ਸਿਆਣਪਾਂ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਾ ਚੱਲੀ ਨਾਲ. Thou the human beings, they may practice thousands of self-mortifications and cleverness, but none of them would be with them beyond the wall of death. ਜੋ ਬੇਮੁਖ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਤੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਤਿਨ ਕੁਲ ਲਾਗੈ ਗਾਲ. Not only themselves, means not only the disbelievers, rather their whole family would be branded as disbelievers and would not be getting any place to enter at the divine palace. ਹੁੰਦੀ ਵਸਤ ਨਾ ਜਾਤੀਆ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਕੂੜ ਨਾ ਚੱਲੀ ਨਾਲ. They were not able to recognize the blessings of Almighty God, and they don't know the falsehood is not going to go with them. Satgur jinna milayon pyare sacha naam samal. Whereas, blessed are the people on whom Almighty God has showered His grace, and they were able to see the Guru within their life and remember Almighty God as well. Sat santokh gyan dhyan pyare jisno nadar kare. He becomes the fully contented and truthful and the knowledgeable person on whom Almighty God showers His blessings. Andin kirtan gun rave pyare amrit pur pare. Day and night they are imbued in the praises of Almighty God, and they are like the brimful with the nectar of the remembrance of Almighty God. Dukh sagar tin langya pyare pavjal par pare. They have crossed the painful ocean of this world, and they have gone through. जिस भावै तिस मेल लहं प्यारे सेई सदा खरे. O my loving God, whom you like, only them you let meet with you. And of course, they are considered the truthful, they are considered the real ones. Samrat Purkh Dayal Deo Pyare Bhagatan Tiska Taan. The bright Lord is omnipotent, all-powerful and compassionate. And of course, the devotees, they feel that He Himself is the mainstay for them. Tis sharanai teh paye pyare je antarjami jaan. I have surrendered myself to the refuge of Him who is wise and a knower of the hearts. Halt palt swarya pyare mastak sach nishan. Guru says very mercifully, Almighty God has affixed His own seal on my forehead. And that is why now this world and the world beyond have become the pleasant places for me. Means there is no problem, and I always enjoy living in this world and even in the world beyond. So Prabh kade na visare pyare, Nanak Sad Qurban. Let us, we should not forget Almighty God, and I, Nanak, the sacrifice on Him who is always there to take care of us. Finally, it is our duty to remember Almighty God, because even before the birth of ours, He was there to take care of us. And throughout our life, He is always there to help us, and we are supposed to recognize Him by His remembrance throughout our life. Thank you very much for joining us today, and sorry for any mistakes. वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह।